So this is the size of the culverts they put up.
And they are very small.
And the funny part of it that is here, you see all that sand, it comes out through it. So meaning it's going to get blocked before even the road is done. It is even blocked right now. So how are they going to manage it from the other side? Meaning it carries a lot more other soil and it deposits it here. So we came from the other side and we are heading to this other side. Lubya is where we are. Lubya is the other side. Hello guys, it's drizzling at the moment. It's funny that in the morning it started with drizzle. In fact, it rained while I was entering the city. I had to pause around the shop right. It rained until it paused. Well, after 1 hour, it was brightly shining. You know. So as we've been moving around, we've made so far 3 videos. This is the 4th video.
Remember when we are studying tropical climate?
Yep.
This is a tropical climate. It can rain at any time.
Anytime. That's the kind of rain that we receive in here.
Tropical climate.
So this road is being constructed, or there are constructions on this road. So we are going to be walking. It goes to Munaku. This is Kasubi. It goes to Munaku, Lubya, and those other areas as well. So hopefully you like the video. Subscribe to the channel as well. This is it. Road constructions. So it's like they're laying the final, final maram layers. Sorry, yes, the final maram layers, then they can bring stones. Because when you look at these ones, they've mixed maram with stones.
With stones, yeah? So
then it's
so they are yet to...
The maram layer the stones come, which is the stone-based water compaction, then they start. That's how they build our roads. But I don't find that way a good way.
But I thought constructing roads, they will need to dig down, put the hard cores first,
I think that is done in wetlands. That's what they do in wetlands. But if it's not a wetland, they just do that and go.
But I think now on this road, there's this famous school here.
Kasubi Secondary School.
School here.
Wow.
By the headmaster is called Charles Louis.
Charles Louis? Louis. I thought so, Louis, which is slap.
Louis, he would cane. He wouldn't call for the parent to come. He would tell you, the parent paid me. He would tell you the parent paid me to look after you when he's at work.
Okay, his work is to look after you. You do any wrong,
yes,
he deals with you. So guys, this road I think is also going to be among the many roads that have so far been constructed very soon. And this is the Kasubi tombs, one of the listed UNESCO heritage sites in Uganda. We have so many, but this is one of them that is listed, and people flock it. This is where the different kings of Buganda that have passed on are laid to rest in there. So the alleged head teacher that you were talking about is that guy that has just passed holding a bag.
He used to pay students math, and his school is known for that. You buy a bunch of pens, brave them.
And by the way, those are some of the things that groomed us. Caning, like children lately are not caned, are not punished. Of course, not all canings are punishments, but some parents don't punish their kids, and it is now costing them. Us who were punished, have some little respect. Yeah, how I call it, some little respect.
So now, easy.
Kasubi. Nalobederi. Omugua. Je waleko.
Yes.
This looks like a modern hut. Do we call it a modern hut?
By the way,
do we call it a hut when it has iron sheets?
Why this is the barrier site?
Which one?
This one. The barrier site.
It's also a barrier site.
Yeah.
For the whos?
I don't know, but people buried in there. There
Wow.
are graves in there.
Anyone who knows that barrier site, please drop a comment and let us know. So here they also sell some local brew. Can we buy some?
Don't.
Peter is not going to allow.
No, you can buy, but I don't take the local brew. I find it,
You don't find it, you find it unclean, eh?
No, not that. For me, I feel like
So the last time I gave an update about this very project. Pardon? Yeah, that is non-alcoholic. It's non-alcoholic until it grows. Like there is when it spends more days after preparation, it becomes alcoholic. When it ferments, that way it becomes alcoholic. If it has not fermented, it's very okay to take, because they use, what is it called? Banana juice is what they use. So banana juice, if you leave banana juice to ferment or put some millet, it becomes a whole like alcoholic drink.
I didn't know that.
So this is the main entrance into the Kasubi royal tombs.
Over there,
It has two entrances, this and this.
Also there's a small gate over there.
Yep.
Where the Nalinya, Nalinya is there the other side. Nalinya is
the sister to the king. The king.
Yeah.
She passes the other side.
There is a small gate.
She doesn't use this main gate.
No. Let's use this key, right?
So Nalinya comes anytime she wants, right? Because the kings only come here when they have come to bury.
Things have changed now. Things have changed. So now this road takes us down to
Navulagala. So we are back at the main road. This is St. Andrew's Church of Uganda, Kasubi Parish.
And there is a school, Kasubi Church of Uganda, primary school. Fear God and work hard was our motto.
So guys, this is where we are, and we're trying to show you the place as well as we give you the road updates. You can clearly see the road updates by yourself. We don't even need to explain. The other side they are working. Here nothing much is going on. Even here in the middle nothing much. But when you go up to the other side as well, there are constructions there.
Okay.
This is the Lubya hill. We have a happening place called Lubya Gardens. Then this is the Orthodox Church, this other side. So when you get up somewhere there, you get a clear view of the city, Kampala.
I think you guys come from here, and they are yet, I think, to proceed.
Maybe they are focusing on to the kingdom. Sorry, the royal tombs.
First.
Yeah.
I think we're focusing. Since it is connecting to first, which is already done.
Yeah. Kasubi, see you, Church of Uganda.
That is where I went.
For primary.
primary.
Secondary, you went to the other headmaster's school.
Secondary schools, my friend. I went to Odi Kampala, from Odi Kampala to Kautek Academy, then up to that one. Up to that one. If you want any TikToker here in Uganda, you find them here.
I thought parking is next to the what? To the market, the other side down.
No, parking is here. If you want any TikToker, they are always here. Any TikToker, you know, this is their spot. It's a happening place. When you come here at night, it is.
So before we go, I want to read this monument.
I have this story. This monument.
Yeah. Oh, this
The
is
gentleman.
Ronald Mwenda Mutebi.
No, the gentleman tried to do a sculpture of Ronald Mwenda Mutebi.
Yeah.
So now, after doing everything, they had covered it. So they had to go to Bulange to seek permission. So after those people from Bulange came, saw the monument, they found it that it wasn't the Mutebi. So they were stopped from, opening it. But I think after some time
They agreed and let it
had
open.
nothing to do. But
Yeah, because he tried. He used his effort to build something.
it's not the Mutebi.
Yeah, there is nothing like.
It's not the Mutebi.
Yeah, they don't look alike.
After giving them some 2 to 3 bottles,
So that's how most of the TikTokers have degraded their brands. In Kenya, people are working with bigger brands. Here in Uganda, they are working for bottles of beer, bottles of soda, food.
Now this one takes us back to Mengo.
This one mango,
This one Mengo. This one Namona.
Namongona, then
This one
towards Sentema Road.
Sentema Road.
This one, is this where they call Munaku?
Yeah, Munaku. Yeah. This is the Munaku. Here.
Munaku is broke, poor. Omwavu is poor.
Literally, Munaku is a Uganda term.
Yeah. No, I'm saying they are two related. Munaku and broke. Omwavu no muchi. No.
Literally, it is the same. It means the same.
No. Like it's the same, like rich and poor and broke. They are not the same, they are different.
Someone might be just broke but is not poor. Is it what you're trying to mean? That someone
that was
be poor but broke.
Someone that is broke is a person that has had the money before.
Oh, yes,
and then he runs broke. Poor someone doesn't have
completely.
Yeah. So I want to tell you that these constructions here have been here for quite some time.
Yeah.
There is a time I passed here and nothing was happening.
Yeah. It was a bad road indeed.
Last year.
It was a bad road. It was a bad road.
Chicken plus. Great taste. Order now.
Chicken classic. So the other one, the other junction was Munaku. Look now, how could you dig such a ditch?
They dug this whole ditch and then did not put even something, a barricade. It's easy for one to drive into it, even at night.
Someone can easily come and...
Our supervisors don't mind as long as they are paid, the rest is nothing. So before we also blame the companies that are constructing these roads, we need to as well blame the supervisors. Supervisors are paid by the companies, and then they report something contrary to what is happening.
I've realized something, yeah? You know that come June, people are going to enjoy Kampala.
How and why?
Because most of the roads, these feeder roads are going to be done. You know,
that is
the
when
traffic lights are
new
going to be working.
the new financial year.
Yes. Just imagine, all these roads will be done.
Yeah.
These ones, they'll all be done. I'm sure it will be. Just that, I don't know, maybe accidents will increase a bit because
People are reckless and careless.
but just know people are going to enjoy it. People are going to enjoy these roads.
Let's just pray that God keeps us alive. We witness these things.
No, we shall have to witness.
Yeah.
We shall have to witness.
You know, we've just talked about accidents. You may be here, a motorbike directs into you, poof, you're down.
Anyway, I would comfort that ever since I started content creation,
Yep.
this kind of content creation, I've never, bumped into such, just that I thank God and I pray that He keeps me well,
Yeah.
because I have to give these people,
Content.
content. I have to give people content. So now we are going to Ivan. I was saying so Ivan. So guys, I'm with Ivan here.
Ivan Atwaire is my name.
My card says it's full. Oh.
So guys, I remember when they were trying to clear around here, I was here. I showed you most of this as they were clearing here. What's the name of this area?
This is
Is it Lubya as well?
It's not Lubya as such, but there is, we can call it Lubya, but there's another name.
Yeah.
But it's Lubya. Yeah. But there's
The bigger
name.
area is Lubya,
Yeah, Lubya, yeah.
but this small village is something different.
Okay, now the problem is there's this side and this side.
Oh,
This side is Lubya,
up is Lubya.
but now I'm getting the other side.
The lower part is a different one.
Yeah.
For any person that knows it, please drop it in the comments.
But
I will-
But someone literally will tell you Lubya again.
Yeah.
Because it's a neighbor.
Yeah. It's the roads that divide us. I remember the last time I passed here, all these people were planning, in fact they were just digging the drainage system.
I think also I have that video when they are still doing the drainage, yeah.
Yeah.
But this other upper part was had some tarmac on it.
Yeah.
And so cheap. The part, but at least now it has been widened.
Yeah,
Probably-
the road is wide now.
Probably this side they will put the walking ways.
And
What I see.
And they are not widening these roads because they said the budget they have.
Doesn't allow them.
This one lost their veranda.
Almost lost their veranda.
Wow, it's wide now.
Well, it's not wide, but also remember there should be a walkway somewhere here, so you find that.
I remember I passed here when they still had the V-shaped water channel. Now they covered this.
Now they have covered, yeah.
Wow.
They have covered.
And I think the grader was operating around here. It was here, where we have a road coming from up.
So that's why I'm telling you that people, by the month of June, people are going to enjoy these roads, I'm telling you.
Yeah, also they are also going to be working faster
But remember,
because the financial year will be ending.
and remember, the more they work on these roads, the more the value of the plots and
renting.
Even the rent is going to go a bit high because of the infrastructure. Even if you have to buy a plot this side, it will be a bit higher.
Yeah.
Because the roads are being,
So people that bought before the road was constructed ate bigger.
But even after it being constructed, selling it because.
So I think we can cross to the other side, opposite side. So this is how these areas look like. Speaking to the people in the diaspora that have spent a lot of time without coming this way.
I have a colleague, I think he went to Australia in 2018.
2018.
Yeah, I think when he comes back, he will need a tour guide.
Yeah, so they need to know and see these updates as well.
Maybe they are on and they are watching these videos.
Yeah. Well, in my video, the one I did about this project, I complained about the size of the culverts they used this other side. They were extremely small. The other side they used big. Here they used small. I don't know why. Or maybe because more water comes from the other side up. I don't really know.
But remember, it comes down the stream this side.
When it comes down, the volume becomes more. So I don't know why. Maybe they have their own plans, but I also don't think.
So now we are heading to Gala.
Yeah.
That's where we are heading to Lubya. Heading to Gala. And hope you guys are enjoying our videos. Like I said, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I really like the returning subscribers. They're doing that great work. You know, someone enjoys the video, comes back to watch another video. You know, those returning subscribers, you guys are doing great. Let me ask you, there is a gentleman called Ronald East. Does he comment on your videos?
Yeah.
I don't know where that guy, you know, at least, Ronald, if you're watching.
Yeah, I think Ronald, it's Get who said like he Ronald, he likes it seeing you all on my channel this way.
Let me even first look through the camera. Ronald, if you're watching this video, I need to have a chat with you because you literally comment most of the videos on different channels. I always see you commenting. Alex, I think we need to make a video with you.
A top commenter is not. I am sure he's not in Uganda. He must be in the diaspora, as far as I know. No.
Man, the guy comments on most of the videos,
and he watches. Yeah.
If you are in Uganda,
look at this. Pineapples, oranges.
If you're in Uganda, kindly tell us where you can find you. And we do a live, or we can do a go live together. Indeed, I need to appreciate you guys. Ronald. So this is Lugala Masanafo.
Yeah. The road projects are extremely slow. Slow. They need to up the speed.
People are watching the value of
Honorable Segi Ubuntu Palace Hotel.
Yeah. This is Sunday. I have a live. I don't know what time I'm going to do the live.
Today?
Yeah, I have a 25. I promise people every Sunday I have to do like every Sunday.
We'll do it at night. So this is a new structure. I didn't find it here the last time I was there. But there were iron sheets.
Yeah, I think they are still working on it. So it has been raised up.
Yeah.
It has been raised up. So now we come to the junction just in a few meters from now. I think 200 to 300 meters. We'll be in the Masanafu junction. And probably guys, I'm reminding you, you know, liking our, sharing our, and subscribing to these amazing channels.
Whenever I look at the number of shares, I am moved.
Yeah.
Like you find 2,000 shares and be like, yo.
In the weekly recap?
In the analytics, yeah.
Yeah, the weekly recap.
You find all those, you'll be like, wow, that is a lot. So this is the size of the culverts they put up.
And they are very small.
And the funny part of it that is here, you see all that sand, it comes out through it. So meaning it's going to get blocked before even the road is done. It is even blocked right now. So how are they going to manage it from the other side? Meaning it carries a lot more other soil, and it deposits it here.
So at the end it's blocking the whole passage.
How are they going to fight it? I also don't know. Let's hope they clear it as they finish the road construction.
But Ivan, this area is also developed.
Yeah, it's developing.
It wasn't like this.
It's developing.
You see now there are happening places around.
And this is also a new building coming up.
There are businesses around.
Yeah, with small businesses. Yeah, I think the road is going to be a game changer. Once they get this road, the road coming from this way, this one as well, they've been working on it. I don't know why they've not worked. They almost hit him. Look at this one. So I don't know why they have not worked up to around here. Maybe they are waiting for the one that is crossing through to have it worked upon. But if these people are given all these roads, it's going to be a whole different community, because the constructions here start from where that van is, and the other side they've constructed already.
So guys, with the Lubya video,
so we came from the other side and we are heading to this other side. Lubya is where we are. Lubya is the other side. For the people that have managed to follow this series, it has been a whole series, about 5 videos. They all are interconnected. If you have followed them very well, they link to one another. If you have not watched them, please go back and watch them.